In this world full of strife, it's easy to lose sight of the beauty in our lives and forget to shine bright. But we must remember to be kind to ourselves and embrace our splendor, for we are truly blessed. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror. Embrace. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror. Embrace. It's easy to lose sight of the beauty in our lives and forget to shine bright. But we must remember to be kind to ourselves and embrace our splendor, for we are truly blessed. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror. Embrace. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror. This world full of strife, it's easy to lose sight of the beauty in our lives and forget to shine bright. But we must remember to be kind to ourselves and embrace our splendor, for we are truly blessed. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror. Embrace. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror. Embrace. For we are truly blessed. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror. Embrace. So let's show some love to the one in the mirror.